Hi friends, this is Maria and welcome back to my channel. So you can see the branches of the trees. They're so beautiful with ice, right? Well, today we have ice storm and then I was wondering at first what ice storm is because I thought there would be ice falling from the sky, but it's actually freezing rain, and when it comes in contact with power line or with the leaves of the trees, it freezes right away and then it accumulates ice on the branches and on the leaves of the trees. At some point, if it gets too heavy, then the tree would actually break its branches. As you can see, there's not much snow falling, but there are so much ice on the branches of the trees. Let's take a closer look at this. So you'll see there that the little branches are covered with ice and it looks really pretty, but so sad if the tree or if the branch would have thicker ice and it will break. But it does look very beautiful. So that's a bigger tree, and we are just hoping that it's not gonna break, otherwise it's gonna be messy.
So it's so windy and trees are icy like this, and then therefore when it's really uh, when the air is really or the wind is really blowing so strong, it breaks the branches of the trees, and we have some branches that are already broken because of the weight of the ice on the branch. So this is the ice storm here in Wisconsin. Ice storm Frannie. So it started last night until 7 o'clock tonight, and it would probably cause a lot of power outages, because if these branches fall into the wires, electrical wires, then it would cause power outages. So these are how the trees look like.
So let's look at the roads. The roads doesn't look like slippery, but we're sure there's ice on the road. And this is the birch and the power line. You can see the power line covered with ice, and that's when it's scary when the tree would hit that power line and break.
Oh wow! Yeah, I mean there's no snow, but the trees are filled with ice because the rain that comes in or comes down freezes really fast. So we're just gonna walk around and see how it looks. We're still under ice storm warning until now, because it will go on until 7 o'clock this evening. Sometimes the rain falls horizontally, and sometimes it stops and then it goes again. Look at this. Ooh. Huh? So they're all filled with ice, and they accumulate when it rains. Uh, they harden when it gets to the trees or the branches of the trees. Look at how icy that is. Oh gosh, it's thick. Oop, I just cracked ice here. Oh, amazing. This is something. You can even crack the ice. See, I can crack the ice on the trees. Oh yeah. So yeah, it's midday during the ice storm. Which way? Over that? Okay. Oh my, my hands are so cold. So it's so windy. What if the trees are gonna fall on us, you know? Huh? Because it's windy and whoa, you can, the ice are falling from the trees. Look at that. Look at that. We can't even cross that way. We usually walk there. So you can see how the trees move. So when it gets really, really windy and they're filled with ice, the branches break. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at that. There's so much ice on the ground. I'll probably get a big bump if one of these chunks would fall on my head. So yeah, this fell out of the pine tree branch and more. There's more of the ice. We can probably make a cold drink out of the ice here. So those are the ice from the trees. So it's not snow but ice. So it's 4 o'clock, almost 5, and here during the Frannie ice storm. So it's no longer water but sleet that falls on the ground. Oh yeah. And it's gonna go on. Oh, it hits. It actually hurts when it hits you. Like tiny, like little um, little rocks or sand, like bigger particles of sand. And that's what's falling now. And this is how it looks. So here you go, friends. You've seen the effects of ice storm Frannie here in Wisconsin. It creates a really beautiful image though. Look at this tree. It looks really beautiful with the ice on it, but it's hard on the tree. Yeah. Oh, I hope you like the video. And if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, share, and of course hit the like button. Thank you and see you in my next video. Stay safe, everyone.